The ZANU-PF provincial structures are embroiled in a fierce internal struggle, fueled by ongoing rivalry between President Mnangagwa and Deputy Constantino Chiwenga. Salapenda mashoko anobudanyirwa panapa nevakomana veZimbabwe vachiexposa kuti aiwa the house is now in disorder and the house is now in flames, vachitaura mashoko ekuti aiwa extent yazvava yava kuma extreme. Salapenda mashoko anobudanyirwa panapa nobva subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tirina muZimbabwe abudanyirwa chiti tensions have escalated with top party officials trading barbs on social media in a display of deepening factionalism within the ruling party. The latest outbreak of hostilities became evident during a heated provincial coordinating committee (PCC) meeting held yesterday. Party political Kumizawa Mnyaradzi Machacha issued a plea for order, highlighting concerns over primary elections and the escalating use of social media for personal attacks and factional posturing. Interpersonal relations among party members are discussed to ensure harmony within the province, especially among the leadership, Machacha stated, emphasizing the need for unity to bolster the province's effectiveness and potential to challenge the opposition in future elections. However, the sources reveal that this call for unity masks deeper fractures driven by committing loyalists to Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, whose camps are reportedly vying for influence. Machacha also expressed concerns about the misuse of social media by party members who have increasingly resorted to public outbursts and name dropping as part of their factional conflicts. Thomas Kanobada chitoka panapa vachiona kuti aiwa people vakushandisa factions atikonoti they are now opposing each other kuti aiwa indinokusapota ningi ndosapota ningi zvatakuona kuti aiwa vakuzvitora too personal, zvatakuona kuti aiwa party progress is going nowhere, vangusava vanguti stand still, zvatakuona ndozvinyanya kuita kuti vakomana opposition vaya vachivabhita. Tudze mafunguro muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi kana comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.